All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about how to find Tesla superchargers quickly and easily. First, use the Tesla app. Open the app, go to the charging section, and it will show nearby superchargers on a map. You can also see the number of available stalls and charging speeds at each location. Second, check the Tesla navigation system in your car. Tap on the charging icon on the screen, and your Tesla will display a list of nearby superchargers. Plus, it can route you directly to the best one based on your battery level and location. Third, visit Tesla's website. The official supercharger map is available online, showing locations worldwide. It's a great way to plan your road trip ahead of time. Finally, if you're in a pinch, use third-party apps like PlugShare. While Tesla's systems are your best bet, apps like these can help you locate compatible charging stations. So, whether it's through the Tesla app, the in-car navigation, or the website, finding a Tesla supercharger is a breeze. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.